have our head finished. We have it all painted. We have the eyes put in. As you can see, the plaster of Paris is all dried and everything. So the next step we want to do is we want to hook our mouth up to make sure the mouth is working properly before we seal it all up. I'm going to take some Johnson paste wax here, and I always put some on the inside here. You can do this later on with a Q-tip if you need to. But this just helps it slide a little better so it doesn't get caught. We'll do a little bit on here too, so the mouth won't stick on the paint. We'll put some on this, up here, and then on the sides. So that's ready. We're also going to put some on this dowel back here to help it slide better, and the string goes up and over. So now we're going to get this mouth hooked back up. We had our 3-inch spring. So we got our spring connected. We're going to take our 24-inch piece of nylon string here. And we'll tie this on here. And then we're also going to put a staple in here so it won't come unraveled on us. So when we're pulling, it won't come undone. Now we're going to hook this up, make sure everything's working properly before we seal it. You don't want to seal this all up and then find out it's not working right. Then you got to take it all back apart and start over. Hook the spring up. I think we're okay there. And we're going to screw the hinge back into the mouth. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Going to be okay. I don't see anything catching. So now we're going to take our string, which goes up over top the dowel and down through the neck. Pull this through. We'll give a test here. It should be working okay, and it does. So the last thing we're going to do is we want to take our 1-inch ring and tie this on. I always leave this string long so whoever buys this can adjust it if they want it to be a little lower. And it's good for either your finger or your thumb. That's what I find good about using a ring. So everything's working good, so now we can put the back of the head on and then work with our wig. Thanks for watching.